like most extreme roller coaster in the park?
Oh yeah.
Here we go, guys. It's the roller skater. I don't know if I can handle the extreme G-forces and airtime and laterals that the roller skater here at Kentucky Kingdom produces, but I'm gonna give it a try. All right, kids at home, hold up your hands in the air and get ready to scream. Here we go. It's the roller skater. Whee! Oh man, extreme G-forces and laterals. Here we go. Airtime to the max. It's crazy. And the helix of forcefulness. And into the brakes. And that, my friends, is the roller skater here at Kentucky Kingdom. Awesome roller coaster, very thrilling.